Hi guys, today we will talk about how can you choose that option on your Roblox app. We will go to figure out the solution on how you can do that on your Roblox app. So all you have to do, just go down here, you click here on this sign here on down, then it's going to take you here in this window here, and all you have to do, so you just go down here, then you click here on settings here, then it's going to take you here to settings window. Then all you have to do, so just click here on privacy, then it's going to take you here to next step. So just hold on second to open video. So just switch into open video like this, and you go down here. So then you just come here to who can join me in experiences. You will click here, then here you can choose who can who can join you in experiences here. So if you want to add your friends or everyone, or friends and user you follow, on the users you follow and your followers. So that's all. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to support us by like and subscribe.